Hi students, now I am going to teach you 7th English Unit 1, Poem 1, The Computer Swallowed Grandma. Look at the picture and let us discuss about that. If your grandmother is ready for a bicycle race, how will you react? If your grandmother is willing to play hide and seek, how will you react? If your grandmother is grabbing a lollipop from you, how will you react? If your grandmother is ready for a bicycle race, you may give her bicycle. If your grandmother is willing to play hide and seek, you may play with her. If your grandmother is grabbing a lollipop from you, you may give it to her. We have grandmothers in our houses. They may do some odd actions. Instead of angry with them, we should enjoy with them and take care of them. Okay, come. Let us go through the poem. The computer swallowed grandma. Yes, honestly, it's true. She pressed Control and Enter and disappeared from view. The poet thought that the computer swallowed grandma. She pressed Control and Enter and disappeared from view. It devoured her completely. The thought just makes me squirm. She must have caught a virus or been eaten by a worm. The poet thought that the computer had eaten by her fully. The thought made the poet upset. She thought she must have caught a virus or been eaten by a worm. I have searched through the recycle bin and files of every kind. I have even used the internet, but nothing did I find. The poet have searched through the recycle bin, then he used the internet, but nothing he found. In desperation, I asked Jeeves my searches to refine. The reply from him was negative. Not a thing was found online. In hopelessness, the poet asked Jeeves, a software engineer, to search grandma in online. He also found nothing. So, if inside your inbox, my grandma, you should see, please copy, scan and paste her in an email back to me. So the poet asked the readers of the poem, if they find grandma in their inbox, send her by email by copying, scanning and pasting. Anonymous. Anonymous means we don't know the poet name, so we should write here anonymous. The computer swallowed grandma. Summary. This children's poem, The Computer Swallowed Grandma, was written by an anonymous. Ever since it was published in the Daily Mail, national newspaper in July 2004, it was welcomed the world over for its humor, imagination and language. Summary of the poem. The poet was chatting with her grandma online. Suddenly, by mistake, when grandma presses Control and Enter, her image vanishes from the screen. The upset poet thinks that the virus must have attacked her computer and searches for her in the recycle bin. All files and on the internet, but she couldn't find grandma. So she called software engineer Jeeves to search grandma and he too couldn't find. In the end, the poet requests all the readers of her poem to send grandma by email by copying, scanning and pasting her if they happen to find grandma in their inbox. Read these lines and answer the questions given below. Question number 1. The computer swallowed grandma. Answer. Who swallowed whom? The computer swallowed grandma. Question number 2. She pressed Control and Enter and disappeared from view. How did grandma disappear from view? Answer. Grandma disappeared from the view on the computer screen when she pressed the Control and Enter keys. Question number 3. It devoured her completely. Who does if it refer to? It refers to the computer. Question number 4. She must have caught a virus or been eaten by a worm. What happened to grandma? Grandma was affected by computer virus. Question number 5. I have searched through the recycle bin and files of every kind. I have even used the internet, but nothing did I find. Where did the author search for grandma? The other searched grandma in the recycle bin files on the internet. Work in pairs. Read the last two stanzas of the poem and answer the following questions. Question number 1. Who did the author ask for grandma? The author asked Jeeves. Question number 2. Did the author get a positive reply? Answer. No, the author didn't get a positive reply. Question number 3. What is the author's plea? Answer. The author pleads to send grandma back to him by an email if anyone sees her in their inbox. Pick out the rhyming pairs and write them in the blanks. Stanza 2. Squirm, warm. Stanza 3. Kind, find. Stanza 4. Refine, online. Stanza 5. She, me. Okay, thank you.